passing road. So guys, let's be extremely careful